सर आज का सेमिनार आपको कैसा लगा?
This is a wonderful experience. Although I am a journalist, but I am having a curiosity about this kind of the business after export of gem and jewelry. And I can say that the Amit, the speaker and the organizer of this event, is a wonderful speaker, and everything is very nice as per my experience. And I request the youth peoples, to come forward to take this kind of opportunity for the export.
And sir, what were the new learnings from this seminar?
Oh, each and everything for me, because I am not a very fresher for this kind of business. I'm a TV journalist, so I am very much happy to see this.
So do you think like more youth should be connected to this to seminars like this?
Kind of seminar should go. We can manage the tier 2 cities of India, so the unemployment in the youth peoples can join more and more. The Delhi, Calcutta, Surat, these are the big cities. The peoples are like Patna, Bengusarai, the Siliguri, this kind of cities I prefer. If Amit ji go there and teach the peoples, the youth of the lots of peoples, they can benefit with this kind of the new entrepreneurship business.
Okay, sir. And sir, would you be recommending this this seminar to others as well?
Sure, I will.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.